Hi, this is Jeff Atkinson, Pneumatic Specialist for KOGANEI Advanced Technologies, bringing you Pneumatic Product Moment featuring KOGANEI's MTV water removal valve. No affiliation with the old music video channel, if you can remember that. So even if you have a drip leg, air dryer, or an IB cyclone at the start of your air system to remove water, you can still get moisture in long extended pneumatic lines that can cause corrosion and even freeze up a small cylinder in, say, a robot end effector, for example. As you can see from the picture, it's very simple to install. It uses 4mm tube, tees into both ports of your cylinder. There's no filter element to replace, just 2 gaskets and a spring, and every time the cylinder extends or retracts, moisture is exhausted to atmosphere or to a collection system utilizing the threaded M5 port at the other end. That's KOGANEI's MTV water removal valve. For more information about this product or any of the other cool and unique products from KOGANEI, reach out to your technology consultant from KOGANEI Advanced Technologies.